Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to dispute a credit report error with Capital One. So let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a step-by-step guide. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first step is to log into your Capital One account. Now remember, you can log into your Capital One account online, or you can do that through the mobile app if you have it on your phone. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on dispute a credit report error. You want to click that button to access the dispute portal. Next, you're going to enter the dispute details, including of course the error type, as well as a short explanation on what that error actually is. Now you can upload supporting documents such as identification or proof of address, and that's going to help you to report that accurately, and they're gonna get back to you on that once the error has been sorted out. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to dispute a credit report error with Capital One. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.